Hello, I'm Matt, welcome to Badger Workshop. I think what lets down most table saws available in the UK is the fence system. A few years ago I got this upgraded fence from Axminster and I've used it on a couple of saws now, so I thought I'd show you what I like about it. It comes with this rail to slide on and these brackets that can be positioned at any point so it fit really any saw you want. The fence runs on bearings and slides great and then locks down tightly into place. It came with sticky tape or a sticky tape measure and a little groove in the rail for it to go in. I just never fitted it to mine and used a normal tape measure. It has these adjustable indicators as well so you can line it up to your saw. One of the things I really like is how quick and easy it is to adjust. On other fences I've had, they've had little wheels or screws and it takes ages to make any kind of fine adjustment. With this you've got a couple of nice large Allen head bolts that are easy to get to. You can see how much adjustment you can then make. When I first got mine, I just lined it up with the blade locked it down, and that was pretty much perfectly square straight away. Just needed a little bit of fine tweaking. So I think this is the best fence I've used so far. It's a bit expensive, in fact it's probably as expensive as some of the cheaper table saws, but it makes a vast improvement to the saw. Because I've built mine into a bench, I wish the rail was longer so I could do larger rip cuts, but that's something I'm going to look at upgrading in the future. So I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos.